About to give you guys a tour of this bitch. This is bullshit. Oh, what's up, man? What's up, dude? Welcome in, man. Welcome to NTZ Cribs. Why the fuck would you flip the camera on so many times?
So I can see it. I can see it.
Why'd you flip it to me?
Tanner.
I had it. Man, fuck the neighbors.
Fuck the neighbors. Come on, man.
That's not a good word.
Artwork. This is our baby.
Oh, your baby.
Oh,
No, wait,
this,
wait, no.
No. This is his, not me. That's this man.
We need child support, Will. Child support, pay
All right.
No, wait. It's a child support.
I'll go upstairs, dude.
Yes, Kaya gets the alcohol Monday.
You got bugs. Fucking dumbass. Anyways, so like, come this way.
Well, that's good lighting, man. That's good lighting.
Our first bedroom.
That's good lighting.
You welcome here. Bedroom slash laundry room.
Wait, hold up,
If
man.
you in this bitch.
Hold up. Let me get some of this. Let me get some of this lighting action. Let me see the door to this.
Fresh greenery in the back. Doorway.
Oh shit, bro.
What's up, baby?
Yo, man, if you want some fucking privacy, dude, that's what you need.
Fuck the doors. Doors ain't shit now.
Doors ain't
Welcome to
shit.
Our second bedroom over here, connected to the bath. Yup. We in this bitch. Finest fucking bathtub burry shit. Yeah, let's go. Fucking queen bedroom. The master bedroom with the queen bed. I think that's what it's called.
Jesus.
Yo. I don't know what the fuck that is. Person standing there. I don't know. That's it?
Right on, man. Yo, y'all only gotta leave, but y'all gotta get the fuck out.
All these shoes.
So cute though.
Wait, should we bring us with or?
Yeah. We'll just take it.
Bad girl. Badass.
Yeah, hold here.
I'm not guessing it.
Yes, you are. You're go see. Go.
Did Will just not say he's
You're
guessing?
guessing. They gotta tell you or describe it.
That's what my ego.
Let it go.
Let go my ego. What?
Let it fucking.
It's a movie. Let
I
it
love
go.
when we finish each other's sandwiches. That's what I was gonna say.
I've never seen.
Olaf, bitch. The fuck?
Oh, Frozen.
Cold as
But which
fuck.
one?
The first one, second one.
Yes.
Down.
That counts.
Down.
Oh, Toy Story 4. Fucking.
I quit.
What the fuck?
You guys.
What you said? Ego. What is ego?
Let it go.
Who said Lego?
We
You said Lego.
We said three striped shoes. How
let
did
it
you
go.
know?
Jake, you didn't say that. You
Let
said that.
Let it go.
Whatever.
Let it go. Just let it go.
You said let go, like let go.
Let
I
it
said
go.
He's a guy.
Ariana Grande just broke up with him.
David's
Yep, can't help you.
he dated Katy Perry. He's kind of an asshole.
Tupac.
He plays a guitar.
I know what you're talking about.
His name is not
First name blank, deer. Dancing in a burning room.
Deer.
Why? No. To get the first name. Okay, skip it.
Obama.
What you making, man? What you got cooking up? What kind of? Oh, you got some pasta action, man.
Can I shut it?
Some pasta action? No. Show the viewers, man, what you eating. Oh, look at that, man. Look at that pasta action. Look at the pasta action.
So put them together.
look, I can be the ultimate YouTuber. Look at this lighting.
So the one with
What's up, guys? Tanner here, back here with another video. Today we're going to the beach.
So
You know what? Hey, tell you what, guys. Stay tuned later in the video because I am doing a giveaway for my 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe to my friend Will. You know what? Everything that I said is gonna be in the description down below.
God damn. No, you gotta know when you're fucking backing up.
Yeah, look on that. Look
Why
at
did you
this.
still keep?
you know who you act like?
Who would act like?
Mighty Duck.
Who's Mighty Duck?
Day 2 we in this bitch, or 3, 2 or 3? What day is this? Day 3. Okay. We got another long day planned out, but we are going to do an obstacle course, go to the beach, and then nighttime mini golfing. So
Shit, baby, I'm keep.
Here we go.
It's fine. It's on the.
Get ready for a fun time. Okay.
Alright, we are currently on our way to fucking. What's that bitch called? What's it called? What's the place that we're going?
Banks?
Yeah, what's the name of the base?
Herbert Field.
Pearlbert
Field.
We're on our way to Pearlbert Field. Let's need some shorts. Alright, goodbye.
La 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 la, yeah, yeah. This love is unusual. Something like it's magic. I just can't look past it. We can take it day by day, and I'm staying down, yeah, till you come around. Yeah, got you singing like, yeah. I be in the ocean, yeah, yeah. Going to morning, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'ma make you sing, I'ma make you sing, and that's why I know this life ain't meant to be lived alone. But if I ain't got you, I'd rather be on my own. I'ma grab you, look you in your eyes, so you know I'ma make it seem like but just so you know, like a letter, I'ma like you, yeah. You don't wanna wife you, yeah. Other girls ain't like you, yeah. I don't wanna ever come fight you, yeah. You can come through like a drive-through, yeah. Drive-through, yeah. Ooh, I be in the ocean, yeah, yeah. Going to the morning, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'ma make you sing, I'ma make you sing. That's why I know this life ain't meant to be lived alone. But if I ain't got you, I'd rather be on my own. I'ma grab you, look you in your eyes, so you know I'ma make it seem like
at the very start, hands on each other, couldn't stand to be far apart. Closer the better. Now we're picking fights and slamming doors, magnifying all our flaws. And I wonder why, wonder what for, why we keep coming back for more. Is it just our bodies? Are we both losing our minds? Is the only reason you're holding me tonight 'cause we're scared to be lonely? Do we need somebody just to feel like we're alright? Is the only reason you're holding me tonight 'cause we're scared to be lonely? stop fights and slamming doors, magnifying all our flaws, and I wonder why, wonder what for. It's like we keep coming back for more. Is it just our bodies? Are we both losing our minds? Is the only reason you're holding me tonight 'cause we're scared to be lonely? Do we need somebody just to feel like we're alright? Is the only reason you're holding me tonight 'cause we're scared to be
You sprinted at me.
Can't get him. Can't get him, bitch. Can't get him, bitch. Can't get him, bitch. You are a fire hydrant.
Alright, y'all turn into my fucking vlog and shit. We're out here fucking on, you know me? We out here, man. You know me? Florida gang shit. We out here, buddy. That's what we about. Yeah, we fucking out here gang shit. On this gang, man. Yeah. Alright, hold up. Look at this. Look at this. Fire hydrant.
She's lazy right now.
I remember being tender to the touch. Back in the day when I cared too much. Before I knew the difference.
I watch her eat first.
Love and lust. I remember calling men up just for fun. But crying every night because I felt so lonely. I was getting my pizza bowl with this one homie who looking back I only cared for cause he showed me this one cool singer in the Wolfgang. I became obsessed and worshipped how he sang. Bad as daddy leaving and the need for feeling like he could believe in God. That was me. I felt the same way. I wanted nothing more than to be able to pray without feeling like a fool by his own game. But I do.